Welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust channel. This video was supposed to be about making some storage rack against the wall that we finished in the shed, which is going to be our workshop in the future. With a bit of creativity it should be possible to put 4 of the aluminium boxes that once hold our PA equipment in a row and make a storage rack around them. I mounted casters that I bought at the local Chinese shop on 4 of them and put the heaviest recyclable materials and future projects in them, so that the ones on top can obtain some lighter stuff. The idea is to use all the metal from the shelving that was already in the shed. Of course these are all the wrong size, but with a bit of cutting, grinding and bolting profiles together it should be possible. However, messages from our family made us decide to make a short trip to the Netherlands in the worst period of the year, to drive 2,500 kilometers from Portugal to Holland. Working on the workshop had to be postponed for a few weeks, which means that this video ends abruptly without any progress on the project. There's not much footage on our traveling adventure. Still, all the traditional events occurred while we drive on Europe's roads, so there's a small story to tell, but that will be in the next video. So for now, this is all I've got. See you in the next video. Até logo.